students, welcome to the Shishit Vidyapith School, Sagartal, Gwalior. Let's start a second part of chapter 9, Natural Resources. Scientists from various international organizations suggest that if we continue to use fossil fuel for energy at the present rate, then oil and gas reserves may run out soon. Though renewable resources do not get exhausted, it is important to prevent them from getting polluted or wasted. Air and water are resources that need to be prevented from getting polluted. They need to be conserved. Cutting of tree make the soil loose and the soil is carried away by water and wind. Also, deforestation or cutting of forest leads to destruction of the shelter of animals. It is important to use renewable resource with care. Renewable resource may become non-renewable if we use them carelessly. विभिन्न अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संगठन के वैज्ञानिक सुझाव देते हैं कि अगर हम तेल और गैस के भंडार की तुलना में वर्तमान दर पर ऊर्जा के लिए जीवाश्म ईंधन का उपयोग कर जारी रखते हैं तो जल्द ही यह खत्म हो जाएगा। हालांकि अक्षय ईंधन समाप्त नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें प्रदूषित या बर्बाद होने से बचाना महत्वपूर्ण है। हवा और पानी ऐसे संसाधन हैं जिन्हें प्रदूषण से बचाने की आवश्यकता है। उन्हें संरक्षित करने की आवश्यकता है। पेड़ों को काटने से मिट्टी ढीली हो जाती है और मिट्टी पानी और हवा से दूर हो जाती है। जंगलों की कटाई से जानवरों का आश्रय भी नष्ट हो जाता है। देखभाल के साथ साथ नवीनीकरणीय संसाधनों का उपयोग करना महत्वपूर्ण है। यदि हम उनका लापरवाही से उपयोग करते हैं तो अक्षय संसाधन गैर नवीकरणीय हो सकते हैं। Write true or false. Match the following. Think and answer the following questions. Do you agree that we should spend our natural resource wisely? Why are minerals important for human being? Question answer. What are the natural resources? What are non-renewable resources? Give two example. Why do we need to conserve resources? Think and answer the following question. We should spend our natural resource wisely because their storage or destruction will adversely affect our lives. Second, minerals are used by industries to produce things of utility for use in two-day life. Answer the following questions. The Earth's crust contains soil, minerals and fossil fuel. All these things are called natural resources. Air, water, wood, solar energy, wind energy and hydroelectric energy are examples of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types, renewable and non-renewable. Second, natural resources such as oil, coal, gas, petroleum and different type of minerals take a long time to form and if not used judiciously will get exhausted sooner and will take hundreds of years to form again. These resources are called non-renewable resources. We need to conserve resources because they are limited and our future generation will also need these resources for their survival. We all run out of the resources if we do not conserve them. Your homework is write and learn questions and answer in your notebook. If you have any queries, so you can ask me. Thank you for watching.